Hi everyone, welcome back to Opus Art Supplies. Today I'll walk you through how to assemble the Opus Finest canvas stretcher frame. This is a premium quality frame designed to provide artists with a sturdy and professional surface for their canvas. Whether you're a painter or a mixed media artist, this frame ensures your work is well supported. The frame comes in 3 different sizes, with larger sizes featuring additional cross braces for extra stability. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's go over everything that you'll need. This kit comes with stretcher bars, comes with the cross braces, gussets or corner reinforcements, wood plugs, all the hardware that you'll need. And for extras, you'll want to have a damp cloth for glue, wood glue, standard wood glue is great, an electric screwdriver, a hammer, and a knife and scissors. Make sure you prep your surface with the drop cloth first so that it can catch any extra glue. Start by laying out your stretcher bars with the back side facing up. You can tell it's the back side by this notched edge. The front of the frame should always be laying face down during the assembly to ensure a nice smooth and even fit. Now let's start assembling the frame, one corner at a time. You can also assemble all 4 corners, but going with one step at a time will ensure that you have nice square edges. All right, we're just going to start by adding some glue right into the corners here. Squish that together, add your plug, and hammer down. Make sure you just wipe off any of the excess. You will want the upside that says Hoffman to be at the top. Your next step will be to add your gussets. These are your corner braces and will ensure that everything is going to be at a 90-degree angle. First, add a little bit of glue to the back end of where this will touch the stretcher frame, just like that. You don't need a lot. Attach that and ensure that it is touching all the sides. And for this, you will use your slightly smaller screws. Each joint will take 4 screws. I'll continue with all 4 sides. These gussets have come pre-drilled for you. You'll use 4 of them. You can see when you put it on, make contact with the stretcher frame. That's the area that you'll screw. We have provided lots of screws, so you won't run out. Having all your tools handy makes this job go by very smoothly. Okay. Now we are almost completely assembled. The next step will be our cross brace. For extra stability, we will now assemble and attach the cross braces. We've included in your kit something called an alignment block. This will allow you to keep your crossbars raised up and at the correct level for your frame. Before you go too far, you want to make sure that you've added a little bit of glue and they snug together nice and tight. We have a screw for straight down the middle. There is a pre-drill hole. Line up your cross braces on top of your alignment bars and start by screwing in the shorter ends first. This allows it to pull everything together and keep everything straight. We have provided an extra long drill bit. This is included in all the kits. And for this, you'll be using your longer screws. Start on one end, and as you screw it in, this will lock it tight together. For safety, keep this away from your stomach. Locked nice and tight. Now you can do your long ends. Always a great idea to add a little glue to the ends if you choose to, but not necessary. This kit doesn't need to have that. We just recommend it for best practice. There, locked nice and tight. You have assembled a completed frame. And that's it. Your Opus Finest Canvas Stretcher Frame is now assembled. To continue, make sure to come back and watch our video on how to stretch your canvas.